the Gairden. We're just beginning to ken the way a Gairden weaves its spell, how mony signals, smell, sicht, touch, come together like a skein of licht. The grund, aye green and strap it with life, the shape o' leaves, the murmur o' bird sangs, and the hush o' wind through the bream. Your hond on bark or clarted with soil, a kin o' solace creeps up fae the earth. The air, full o' microbes ye cannae see, works awa quietly, mending what's frayed. The body bent and worn finds its rhythm again wi' ilka turn o' the spade. We plan, aye, we mark our schemes, where the rose will flourish, who the weather's to gang, whether we'll hae time to tack in the hollands o' what we've grown. But time, relentless and sure as ony seed, drives us on. Season shifts and the Gairden asks us to keep step. Our hands learn their ain path, digging, weeding, setting roots. Repetition gives the mind space to wander. In ilka movement the brain finds rest, as worries like weeds fall out of sicht. And in the work there's art as well, no the kind of museums and grand halls, but a human struggle with life and growth, with the muck and the glore, making a place that bides even briefly. Broken pots patched together, old scraps made to fit new needs. On ilka allotment you'll see the wildness o' invention. For bairns the Gairden's a good start, a place to grow their ain minds, learning through the cold of the grund how things find their way to life. And old folk, their minds drifting fae the now, find peace in lang remembered tasks, a ween o' weeds to pull, a seed to plant, and the mind settles like a bird. So muckle gain to us fae this place, this bit o' land we coax and shape, and yet among all they thoughts, a single question gnaws at me. Or am I to pit that braw peony?